We are pleased to show you the 2018 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.